Cassidy, and I'm the owner of Away the Right Way Waste Management Consulting. And we are down here at Bend Summerfest with Lay It Out Events, managing trash and making sure that we can pull things out of the landfill that don't need to be in there. So this is in partnership with Republic Services and Lay It Out Events. So we're taking this year to see how we can do this program and see how much of a diversion rate that we can keep from the landfill. To try and also mitigate the amount of sorting that we're having to do back here, all of the trash bins and what we call waste stations that the public uses are staffed by employees. So we have somebody standing behind, and we have a food waste bin, a landfill bin, and a recycle bin. And what that person is doing is helping the patron learn why we're doing what we do and how to properly sort their trash when they're throwing it away. We are going to start sorting some trash right now, and we're gonna see what kind of things that we have to pull out. This type of stuff, plastic and things, like the type of plastic that ice comes in, stuff like that, if it's clean, it can actually go to a national company. They're called Trex, and they make building supplies out of plastic. You can see that we've got these little twisty ties that come with the cilantro and the other little veggies, so we have to make sure that those get removed before they actually go into the food waste as well. There's little pieces of plastic kind of throughout all of it, so that's why it's super helpful to ask people to make sure they do it prior to this. We just want to make sure that everybody has the education and knowledge to help do the right thing, because we can't do this alone. It's definitely a big group effort. Our typical diversion rate that we have kept out of the landfill is around 70%. We did hit 90% at one of the marathon events, so that was super cool. Sometimes we do end up jumping in dumpsters. It's kind of part of the job, dumpster diving. If we don't get everything out of a bin, or if somebody accidentally throws something away that is a full trash bag that we haven't gone through yet, we'll absolutely jump in there and dig it out and dig through it. Our staff are standing there to make sure that they educate the patrons, and so they don't go into the incorrect bin, or they have their trash pickers handy, so if something does get in there, they can kind of dig in and fish it out. Because we want that to just go straight into the food compost dumpster, straight to the landfill, so that they can make mulch out of it. And you here locally could go get some garden mulch made with our food compost here if you go out to the landfill. So that's pretty cool. So eventually it is the plan to increase the right way and actually have staffing and help events or help event companies manage all of their waste. So we'll come in and handle it for them once we get more established and get more staff and get that ball rolling. So there are quite a few variables when it comes to doing this sort of thing. And talking about the partnership again, it's been really helpful to work with them and try and find creative solutions on ways of not only handling what we're doing right now, but kind of looking at it higher level and seeing the types of things that we can change so we don't have to do this as much. One of the big ones is education, educating the public. So it's my dream that as we keep doing this over the years, it just becomes natural habit for the local public to know exactly where everything is going in each waste stream. So really the big idea is, first of all, education and making sure everybody knows what we're doing, and then backing it up and working with the food vendors to see what kind of different items that they can use or what they can do when they're prepping to kind of help mitigate any waste that they might be creating and bringing to us. So if you could, think about where is a way the next time you are throwing something away at home or in the public. Where do you think that is going to end up? Where is it going to go? And what is the impact that is going to have not only on the earth, but your local community?